It's Tammy and Rick, or Rick and Tammy. What are you doing, Rick?
I have to wrap this up because I lost the thing to put this in the welding machine. To put the big one, so I have to wrap the big one onto the small one, and it takes forever.
Are you welding?
Yeah, probably.
Tomorrow?
I don't know, maybe tonight, a little bit.
I know, guys, we still have to put the windows in, but Rick's gonna take his sweet butt time. He don't want to. You can tell he doesn't want to because every time I mention it, he's all like, yeah, later.
I'll put them in.
Maybe tomorrow.
Well, I'd be working on my angle kit right now, but I need to order some metal to screw, to make, to attach some,
That's what I'm ordering tomorrow.
attach some, threading, like thread for
Don't
time
mind,
joint.
that's my sloppy writing. It's gonna be more than 43, 41, but that's the estimate I got, what, like a month ago?
Well, the metal price goes up and down.
So it might be more, it might be less. I'm just going off of it to see what they'll charge me. So, yeah. Whoop, I'm dropping it.
This thing takes forever, man. My arms hurt.
Aw. You got
Well, look
this.
how big this is. Compared to that, there's like 4 or 5
Are you gonna fill it?
rolls.
I just
Well, it's
fill it.
got a lot in it. I could do a lot of welding.
No, just fill it. You
Well,
want?
you do it then.
I'll do it.
See how you feel after
Here, I'll
2
do it.
minutes.
I'll do it. I'm good.
Yeah, I know, but this one has to be tight, or it's gonna go everywhere. So that's why I keep it tight.
Keep it tight. Oh,
Because
yeah.
if that one gets loose, all the metal's gonna go like unravel. And this one.
And then
if
it's
you do
gonna
that,
get jammed in the welding machine.
Well, it's gonna be hard to put it back on this.
Yeah.
You know how much metal is on this? All
How
wrapped
come we
up?
can't buy a thing that goes in the middle?
I don't know. I'd probably have to go to like an actual welding shop to get it.
Got you.
I don't know. I don't even know if they're open. There's one by like behind Marine Lane. The welding shop there, you can buy like that shielding gas and shit for the welding machine and all that.
Alright, guys, well, I just wanted to say, hey, guys, and show you what Rick was doing. Well, I watched Paranormal caught on camera. Creepy. Scary.
Man, my forearm hurts.
Ooh.
Look at this, so big.
Is that from?
Yeah. I don't have time to do that shit.
I'm just kidding. Alright, guys, peace.